Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. So it's been a while since I actually did a talkie kind of video. It's been just I don't know, voiceovers, and so let me know if you guys prefer talkie or like live like this, or just voiceover and just I don't speed through the video. But it's been a while, so let's do a plan with me and set up my November. I still am going to kind of fast forward things because there's a lot of little things to put in here, but we're gonna catch up. So we are going to use this November kit that I have in the shop. The date covers are no longer in the sticker sheet. However, I will bring that option back as like an add-on. So I will let you know when that's actually gonna happen. But for now, we're just gonna use these without the date covers. Let's kind of stick this to me. So what's new with you guys? Let me know what you've been up to, especially nowadays that we're actually able to go see people and just go outside. I know it's been like a while, but I don't know. I had a chance to see a lot of my Chicago friends because I finally hosted the mimosas and planners that we've been postponing since June of 2020. So, you know, all of that crap happened last year and we're still in the pandemic, but we were a lot better. We were wearing masks except for the time that we were eating, but there was bottomless mimosas, so that was quite fun. I got to see my friends from Wisconsin. They all came down. It was very fun. I missed them so much. I haven't seen my Chicago friends, I think, since we said goodbyes, or our goodbyes on the last day of the Chicago Planner Conference, because I think that was the end of February, and then 2 weeks later the world shut down. I don't know if I'm gonna throw another one next year though, we'll see. But yeah, so just the bare bones of the kit. I didn't do any date flags like this one. I don't know, but a lot of people miss it, so I might bring it back, or I will be bringing it back. But yeah, so I'm actually gonna do my bills, so let me go grab my tiny text and just do the same thing as I do here. Alright guys, so I got all of my tiny texts pulled for the month, which is basically bills and things like that. Durably Amy Designs is going to open her tiny text. I think it's limited to 250 of these, so you make sure you be there. It's on November 5th through the 7th, so usually she'll let you know if she's like getting close to it, so make sure you're there on the 5th just to order your custom tiny text. I love using these. I cannot stop raving about them. They're just very, I think, convenient, and I like using these black foil. And here's my other stack, and I have some that I have placed in like my reusable sticker albums, but these are the ones that I have to go. Also, please excuse the light kind of dimming and then getting bright again. So anyways, I am going to do the events first because there's an Animal Crossing update on November. Well, the pre-order is already up, but the Happy Home Paradise, I think it's called, it's like Happy Home Designer but for your island this time around, is on the 5th. So we're gonna, I think, use one of these. We're just gonna use my Jetstream, and I think we should do PC update because it is technically an update. We're gonna put this right here because I like to put the bills on the bottom. Okay, so that tiny text is done. The next thing we have is Adobe. I should just keep these in order. Alright, so Adobe, credit cards. Let me grab my album because I feel like this isn't all of it. Alright, so here are my other Tiny Text stickers. I should have just used this their AC event. I am looking for Nightcore. There we go. Okay, so we're just gonna start because I feel like I'm gonna take forever if I keep looking for it. So on the 4th, I feel like this is a budgeting video also. So Adobe on the 4th. I have 2 credit cards. One is due on the 5th and one is due on the 7th. I don't know why my hands are shaking. So we have that. I'm gonna take this one right here. And it says Nightcore, and Nightcore is due on the 8th. Nightcore is our gas company. There we go, car insurance. I don't know if you guys are a little bit particular than I am, because this is a completely different font and now I'm like kind of cringing. It's just me. Next one is Amazon. And Amazon is on the, oh, also on the 11th. I'm gonna put that right there. And then I have HBO. I'm kind of grandfathered to like HBO's older rate for like an entire year. And then, well no, I wasn't. And then now it seems like since they renewed it, I feel like I was grandfathered to my original amount. So the next one I have after HBO is Verizon. And that is usually on the 14th. And then we have Cloud. Cloud is just a service from Apple that I have all of my computers synced to. It doesn't matter if you are a PC user or an Apple. Cloud is on the 16th. And the 19th, I am actually going to use something different. Something due for Lewis. And that's on the 19th. Ink. I have 2 of these. One on the 20th and one on the 21st. Because I have 2 different printers, so they all have their own ink accounts. After that, it's car. So we're going to go back to letter C. I have it in red. I don't know if I have it in black though. That's the Tiny Text I have. It's under Yaris. So that's my car payment, and that's always due on the 23rd. Actually, Shopify is on the 22nd, so let's do that first. And then after Yaris, I have stamps.com. I feel like I completely missed Netflix. When is Netflix due? We're gonna have to backtrack. Netflix is on the 7th. Glad I caught that. Oh, we'll go up here. So that's Netflix. We're gonna put it kind of in order. And then now we have Disney Plus on the 27th. And Hulu is actually on the 24th. See, I almost missed that one again. And then stamps.com. This is just basically my stamp or like postage subscription websites I use to process orders, like the shipping label. So Stamps is on the 28th. ComEd is also on the 28th. And then I have Xfinity on the 29th. the 1st, which is Monday, I do have PR stuff that I'd like to do, so I'm gonna put that up here. I did plan a release on these 2 dates. I'm gonna come back to you guys about that, but my payday is gonna be on Friday, so I think I need a few more of these sheets coming soon. Or not coming soon, I need to order them sooner than later because I'm running out. So good thing next week is Tiny Tucks, so I'm gonna put those up here. I don't know if you guys can hear my laundry, but my laundry's going on in the back. We're gonna just finish these. I'm not gonna fill these ones though. I don't think there's a point. And then we are, when is Thanksgiving? Thursday, right? So do you see this? Collab. Just gonna place that on there. I won't tell you guys what it is just yet because that's coming. I think I'm gonna have another release on the 12th or the 13th, probably the 13th. So I'm gonna use one of these ones or use the ones that says new releases because I think I have those. Look at my stash. $2 Tuesdays, sale, new releases. I have one in blue because I used to color code things. We'll go back to that one day. So new releases. This is also the day that Taylor Swift will be releasing Red, so Swiftie Saturday, you guys. And I think every Monday except for Thanksgiving week, I am going to upload a video on Monday just here because I'm not gonna write what it is here. I'm actually gonna try and utilize my index pages because I didn't quite use it like efficiently like I used to. So for the month of November, I'm gonna fill out the title of the video over here and then maybe track my social media account. We're gonna upload there. That's gonna be my November stuff, and then hopefully another one on Friday. And then I know we might have a video coming on the 24th. So these are things that I know for a fact that I'm gonna have videos for. Alright guys, that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'm just gonna fill out the amounts as I go, but yeah, this is kind of like my pre-planning for my monthly view in the Hobonichi Cousin. I normally don't use these, but feel free to take this particular strip and put it here. I've seen other people do that, or put it in here where there's a lot more room. But yeah, if you guys have any questions, let me know in the comments down below, and even some requests for stickers and things like that. But yeah, alright, thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye!